Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you that even if you're not an English native speaker, you can use online marketing tools for your businesses. Because a lot of people say, oh, I don't speak very well English, so I cannot use tools like GetResponse, ClickFunnels, something like this. I will show you that you can easily change the language and put some tools in your languages. For example, here is GetResponse tools. So it's an all-in-one marketing tools to make email marketings, automations, to do a landing page, to build your funnels online, how to use these tools if you not speak very well English. This tools is available actually in a lot of languages. If you go on your bottom page and you check the language here, so GetResponse is available in English, but also in Spanish, in Italian, in French, in Dutch. You can put in Thai, you can use, if you're Malaysians, you can change to Japanese, you can use if you're Koreans. So there's a lot of languages. So if you have online businesses but you don't have an autoresponder, please click on the link below and try it for free, GetResponse or another autoresponder, because it will be a huge differences. If you try it, you will see that you will get a lot of prospect. You will get a lot of conversion from prospect to customer to regular customer. You will get a very big increase of your selling. So please check the link below and try it for free. You can change the language in your languages and you will enjoy it. And if you have any questions about GetResponse or marketing online, please put a comment below. If you want more content about marketing online, please subscribe to the channels and check my other videos. See you soon!